Today we have an exciting lifetime deal from AppSumo on a tool that helps you to host virtual event with interactive rooms. If you want to run online workshop, classes, meeting, webinars or community hangouts in a more engaging way, this is a great offer to check out. And you pay once and you can keep using it forever and enjoy all the features without monthly bills, which is why this AppSumo deal is such a big advantage. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and boost your productivity and help you to find the powerful deals and discounts that save you money. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this video and don't forget to check the link from the description to get the discounted offers. And you don't need to use any coupon code because when you use the link from our description, the AppSumo discount will be automatically applied. Now let's talk about the GoBrunch. This tool is designed for people who want to run virtual events that feel more human and more interactive. Instead of boring flat video meeting, GoBrunch gives you the different rooms that look like the real spaces. You can create virtual classrooms, training halls, meeting rooms, co-working space, networking areas, and even the custom events halls. When people join to your event, they actually choose a seat and they move around and enter a different rooms just like a real event. This makes the whole experience fun and more engaging. The platform is very simple to use. You don't need to use any technical skill or complicated setup. You just create an event, pick a room layout and share the event link with your participants. They can join from their browser without installing anything. So once they enter the room, they can turn their video, they can talk, they can chat, they can share their screen and interact with others. The visual movement makes the environment feel more connected. You can easily switch between rooms and run the breakout sessions or even host multiple sessions at the same time. One of the best things is that how customizable these spaces are. You can choose from many different room style or upload your own design to make the event much more matched to your brand. You can add the banners, place logos and create a unique environment for your audience. This makes your event stand out compared to normal meeting tools. GoBrunch is very useful for teachers, trainers, and coaches. You can run online classes with a classroom environment where students feel like they are actually attending. You can show your slides, talk with everyone, and you can manage the session easily. The platform supports the recording, screen sharing, simple controls, so you can stay focused on teaching instead of dealing with the complicated software. For the event organizers or the community builders, GoBrunch gives a lot of flexibility. You can create a multi-room event where people can move between sessions freely. You can host a Q&A sessions, networking corners, group discussions, and even live presentations. The visual layout helps everyone to understand where to go, and this makes the whole event feel organized and smooth. The AppSumo lifetime deal makes it even more attractive because normally tools with this kind of setup charge monthly. Here you pay once and you can use it for the long term. You can host small events, large events, workshops, meetings or regular community sessions without worrying about the rising cost. So if you are a freelancer, agency owner, this tool can help you to offer virtual event hosting as a service. You can manage client events, create customized room, and earn more by setting up the interactive online experience for others. So if you want to host the virtual event that can feel more real, more fun, and more interactive, the GoBrunch lifetime deal on AppSumo is definitely worth to checking out. And make sure to check the link from the description to grab the offer before it's gone. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.